Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bose TV speaker to LG TV. Quick method step by step clearly. To connect the Bose TV speaker to your LG TV, follow these steps. First, ensure that your LG TV is turned on. Locate the HDMI ARC port on your LG TV. This port is usually labeled and is often found on the back or side of the TV. Next, take the HDMI cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on your LG TV. Now, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the Bose TV speaker. Make sure both connections are secure. After connecting the HDMI cable, turn on your Bose TV speaker. Now, using your LG TV remote, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Sound section in the Settings menu. Select the option for sound output. Choose the HDMI ARC option from the list. Your LG TV should now recognize the Bose TV speaker. To test the connection, play some audio from your TV. Adjust the volume on both the TV and the Bose speaker as needed. If you still do not hear sound, double-check your connections. Ensure that the TV is set to the correct HDMI input. You should now be enjoying high-quality sound from your Bose TV speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.